I'm not sure why it was not working, or it said it stopped streaming. I don't know why. Is everything working now? Hi, hi, hi. How do I check if I'm live or not? Am I live? Like that, I gotta know if I'm live or not so I can start doing something about it. Hold on, chat. Give me a second here. Alright, why is it giving this? It is... the thumbnail is just poor here. I don't know about this thumbnail though. I gotta edit that thumbnail because that's not cool. Edit video. What is up, chat? I am still figuring out the streaming stuff a little bit, but we're good. We are super good. I just don't want this thumbnail here. Like that thumbnail looks pretty trash. How do I make it so that it doesn't have that? Upload thumbnail. Shit. Is there no way I can remove that? Can it not just show me and what I'm doing right now? Road to Bofa. I should make a thumbnail, shouldn't I, huh? Like a road to... okay, so that's what I'm gonna have to do. That's basically the work that's required here. Alright, maybe we do that. Road to Bofa. Why does it say this is upcoming? Like a road to... alright, it's live. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna have to do. Okay, great. That's basically the work. How's the audio and quality and everything? Alright, maybe we do that. Road to Bofa. Okay, perfect. I know the stream's working now, so that's good. What I don't like is the thumbnail. Chat, what do you think? Is that thumbnail of the stream alright? It's just my banner for... it's my banner. I should make a thumbnail for the stream. But we will get to that. That's just another thing to add on. First and foremost, actually, let me make a little notes. Notepad, is it? Sticky notes. I need a sticky note. Stickies. Write a few quests down. Oh wow, look at this. I had 2024 goals. Holy shit. Oh damn, look at these goals. Look at that. Oh, this is kind of cool to see. But this is not something that I want to see. Save it. Oh shit, 2024 goals. Save that. Alright. Oh wow, we have some more here. Everything is popping up. Okay. What's this? Oh shit. This is here. Nice. Oh fuck. This is crazy work. Okay. We need new stickies and we need to get rid of these old ones. New note. make accounts for social media under one name. And then what else? What else do I have to do? Like big picture quests. We got one quest here, we got two quests. What else? Get withdrawal. Okay, so if these are just big picture withdrawal from 200k FTMO, then this one is what else? What else is my goal here? I'm thinking, chat, so just bear with me. I'm not gonna speak too much. I really want to just think. I think we leave it at that for now. And I've got to get rid of these, honestly. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure that out. So today NZ unemployment rate came out a bit better than forecast. Let's see how it affected the market. And we got no news, nothing's really happening until pound tomorrow. Okay. We can work with that. I just watched South Park episode 9 season 1 and it was the most funniest shit I have seen. I could not stop laughing. Like I was laugh cry emoji for real. Like I was just laughing my eyes out. I was bawling out. Like I was just crying. It was crazy. Oh, look at this. Yesterday's trade, huh? I think we were here yesterday. Yeah, we were here. Setup is still there on GU. We can still go higher. So this is what happened yesterday. I should just take this screenshot and put it on my TradeZella. No, this is so useless. Like that. So what happened was entry here. We avoided this entry here, which was so good. So instead of entering here yesterday, we did not enter that. And then we waited for this. Once it kind of got here, I was like, oh shit, okay, this might be that the move. Like this was convincing enough. Like, okay, the upside buyers are here. And then goes in a drawdown. After it goes up here, I move my stop loss here. And then after it does this pullback and then pushes back up, I've moved my stop loss below that. And then after it does this little thing here and then moves a little higher again, then I move my stop loss here. I kind of made it just here because that's a mistake I actually made. Instead of just putting my, like this, after this, I trail my stop loss even tighter. I was afraid that it tags me out and then runs. But if it does do that, I need to know that if it does do that, it doesn't matter because I can still get back in. If it tags me out, I can still get back in. And with less emotional problems. So if it tags me out, it tags me out, that's fine. But right here, right now, that's what I should have done. So my loss should be not even $20 that I did take yesterday. It shouldn't even have been that. So yeah, interesting. Let's see what the equities did overnight. Equities seem to be quite, they're just playing a little bit at the moment. That's a nasty candle though, yesterday. That's a nasty close. What's the Wix up to? Yeah, pretty average volatility on the Wix too. Bonds at 4.22, 10-year bonds. Bonds are dropping. I mean, they're just in this range of 4.1 to 4.5. That's the bond yield rates. What's happening on the crypto end? 3.5 on the cryptos. All right. Yo, crypto shorts are not out of the picture, honestly. They look pretty fantastic. What's Bitcoin up to? Okay. This trade here would have been a loss. I like to just kind of put these kind of setups on something that I just see and then just kind of put a setup and let it go. Again, there's the trade itself. The execution is more important because the direction you can always be right. I mean, you can most certainly be right, but all right, cryptos are really on the bearish end, but for me personally, I'm not in favor of shorting cryptos because they just get bought so hard so often. So I'm not really too eager to do that. Alright, it is 1 p.m. Gold, nah, I don't want to long it, I don't want to short it. How about oil? Oil is interesting. Silver, what's silver up to? Silver is just on a run right now. And it's basing so hard, dude. Oh my god, do I want to buy this? Because silver can really move. I don't know, this is just like stalled. If it breaks above this, it's going against that, so it's like a break sell-off. I don't know. What's dollar franc up to? Up to no good still. Literally, we were gonna trade dollar franc as well yesterday, but I think it's just the move was just so little. I'm like, I'm looking for a bigger move. The move here was so little, like the resistance was just up there and it did exactly that. It just sold off from that. But hey, today looks quite promising though, in that case. Dollar franc shorts are looking quite promising right here, right now as well. Sell off all the way down here. It is possible. We can watch this, chat. This is entirely possible here. Dollar franc still on the cards to the downside. Anything weaker than that? Oof, how about dollar yen? But is this a sell-off or is this a buying opportunity? Tricky. So is franc yen bouncing. That's pretty interesting. Gotta watch this though, actually. These yen pairs. Euro yen. I mean, I'm looking at the daily. I'm looking at this bullish candle that all of the yens have right now. But I'm also wondering if it's... And it could be a very reasonable pullback move, you know. But I'm also wondering if it's actually the case. New Zealand seems to be the strongest currency so far. Like, look, this is just a pullback to the 50 and then it's just bouncing. So that's my question. I'm just wondering, like, dude, pound dollar. I don't know. Pound dollar though. Like anywhere here, like it reverses, could be a nice buying opportunity. Very interesting what is going on the board right now. Ooh, these longs on NZD. NZD is definitely a strong currency right now. I'd rather be looking at New Zealand longs, to be honest, than pound longs. Or should I be looking at pound actually? Hold on. Pound, what's the daily looking like for all of these currencies? Pound is just a bit stronger in my opinion, but at the same time New Zealand, it is at a buying area right now. What's Euro up to? Euro NZD. Yo, Euro NZD. Bro, Euro NZD. Bro, Euro NZD to the short side. What? Hold on a second. Euro CAD. Yo, give me that Euro NZD, no jokes. That looked so crispy clean. This one looks good too, pound Aussie. Euro NZD steals it for me today. This is just a no-brainer sell right now. Hold on a second. Yeah, I want to watch this. Price is rejecting on this. This candle, if this can be like that, this like that, yo, that would be an epic move. Alright, so once upon a time we missed the buy here. We did not get this. I mean, we got stopped. We actually lost money on this because of my performance on the day. But we learned from it. And this was such a wonderful move too, shit. But regardless, now we're at some supply levels and price is looking very interesting to the downside. I just want to make sure that this stream is working. And this was such a wonderful. My audio is good, so that's good. There we go. Yes. Now you can see the whole screen, so that's good. Perfect. I should probably take the down 3% away. Maybe. I don't know what name is more attractive for the thumbnail. I mean, I have to know. I have to know. See, now this is the game. 302k with only 14 trades. Like 300k in a year from trading is good money, dude. It's good money. Let me go change this. $200k FTMO. Trading. Will I pass? You know what? I should make it like a question. Will I pass my 200k FTMO challenge? Save. There we go. Change the name of the thing up. Much better. Let's see if this clickbaits, or not clickbaits, but it's just, how else do you put this? It's just how psychology works. Instead of me putting some generic or like, you know, not using psychology in the name, let me try and use it. Let me see how it affects. So this whole time I had different titles for this stream. Welcome if you're new to the stream, by the way. This whole time I had a different title and we had, you know, maybe 1 or 2 people pop in. So now I want to see, because I changed the title into Will I Pass, making it more, you know, like a question mark. Let's see how that works. It's just a marketing tactic that I'm deploying right now. Anyways, back to the charts. Euro NZD is looking fabulous to the downside. I really want to sell this. Even here looks nice, to be honest. And ultimately, targets down here is fantastic. Any target down here, I want to price target all the way down. So that would be awesome, super cool. But now it becomes a question of how does this trade play out. And so first and foremost, there's just this little, you know, demand area, this little reaction. So I do expect some sort of reaction here, or at least some waiting, something here to happen. But honestly, on the 15-minute looks great. 15-minute looks looks really fantastic, to be honest. Let me just see what it does. I might just even take a trade. It's got structure. It's low basing. What's price telling me at this moment? I'm just gonna watch price on the 5-minute, see what it is telling me. And if it tells me like, hey, we don't want to go higher, cool, we don't want to go higher, we go lower, we do that. This right now is telling me that something like this, I don't mind. The risk for today will be still $300. We will be doing at least $300 risk for the next at least 6 trades. And then after that, we will review the batch of 10 trades. And then from those 10 trades, we'll have a complete analysis of all of them. And once that's done, then we see the account balance. We see the progress on the account with $300 risk. And then we decide to upscale the risk. We should be in less drawdown by then on the account as well. So then we upscale the risk a little bit, and very soon we just get the first withdrawal from this FTMO account, because that's the only natural way things are gonna happen. And yeah, I like what I see right now, honestly. Here I want to have my stop loss up there. Target's gonna be, target has to be all the way down here, honestly. It has to be. But we just trail along the way. I might have to take chat away from a bit, because I might be executing this right now. It is still pre-London, so I'm being cautious. I'm being cautious because market might just want to bounce from here and go higher. Which actually, now that I'm looking at it, does look like the case, because there's just so much rejection over here. You see all these wicks? I'm not a fan of these wicks. They're just showing me, I don't want to go down, I don't want to go down, I don't want to go down. So we're just going to wait here, chat. We're going to keep waiting, because this is not it right now. I'm not impressed to take the shorts here. Not right now. I need some more clarity in price before I do that. So anyways, while we wait, in the meantime, what can we do? What can we do while we wait? I am just waiting right now for something to happen. I don't want to short. I'm looking for shorts on this. I really like the daily, but at the same time, is this a scenario where this just bloops down, or is this a scenario where this candle here just closes exactly like this in 15 hours? If that's the case, then that is a lot of consolidation, and today's trading, it will be pretty useless. So that's the question. Is this going to move on this day or not? That's the question. And yeah, I think I am gonna end the stream now, because this trade, probably I just wait a little bit. And yeah, I'm gonna end the stream. Again, I'm figuring things out with the stream. I'm in no obligation for this, and I am just, learning, going through things. So yeah, I'm watching Euro NZD. I will come back live again later in the day. Right now I want to relax a little bit maybe and eat. I've got to eat. I really want to eat pasta, but I've got avocado that I got to finish because it's turning bad, and avocados turn bad so fast.